Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I even filmed a video, since I uploaded a video. I've just been on like my Instagram grind. I know it's kind of like weird to say, but I post all the time on Instagram. I'm always like trying to just do looks, and sometimes I use my phone as like my reference picture thing, so I can't record it. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a look. This is the look that I originally came up with. Yes, I did. I first posted this on my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. You can follow it. I do post a lot of crazy makeup looks. Nothing like what I have posted on YouTube. There's so much more intense. If you want to see that, then you should definitely go check it out. So I have primed my eyes. I actually also put concealer like right in between here because I am going to be putting shadows there. So first I'm going to take the Certifeye Destiny palette. This is like one of their newest palettes. And I'm going to take these two shades mixed together, Mystic and Warped. I'm going to take those shades, mix them together, and you're just going to kind of see the shape that I'm putting them in. Okay, so basically this is what I have right now. I know it looks really weird, but the whole point is that I kind of want it to be a very wavy line. So next I'm going to go into this Certified Tropical Wonders palette, and I'm going to take Atlantic and Coast, and I'm going to mix it together on a thinner little blending brush, and I'm just going to try and diffuse these edges. So right now I'm just taking the white from the Certified Tropical Wonders palette, and I'm just basically putting that everywhere that like is left, like everywhere where I didn't put eyeshadow, like these little areas right here. I'm just gonna put some white on it. I'm gonna take some concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. This is the shade Neutralizer. I'm going to basically cut this whole line. So like the kind of shape that I put it down in, you kind of can't see it anymore. So with the concealer, I'm just going to make sure everything is really crisp and sharp. Basically that concealer was just a like guideline, and now I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and I'm going to take off any excess eyeshadow that I have. So I'm gonna put a fresh layer after I finish like cleaning everything up. Okay, so basically now I'm going to do the same exact steps that I did for that first little wavy line, except now when I'm making, like when I'm placing the shadow, I kind of want it to be, like, I don't know how to explain this. I don't want the lines to go in the same direction. I don't want them to have the same curves in the same places. I kind of want them to be like that. I don't know. You can kind of see it on this side, like what I'm trying to do. Basically now I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on this first line. I'm just gonna get the lighter blues and I'm just gonna blend out these edges, and then after this, on any of like these blank spots, I'm gonna pack on a white, and then we're gonna cut the whole new line again and then just repeat the process. Okay, so basically I went ahead and I finished the eyeshadow and I did this side. So this is the lightning that we're going to be doing, and I'm just going to do it on this side. So I'm going to take the Tropical Wonders palette from Certifeye, and I'm going to get this gray shade. It's called Typhoon. I'm going to take this gray shade on a really small blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of like map out where I want the lightning to go. I just kind of want it to have a little bit of shadow. So now I'm going to take my Suva Beauty Hydra Liner. This is the shade Space Panda. It's just white. And I'm going to spray some water into it because that's how you activate it. And this brush is the NYX eyeliner brush, but I'm using it because it's super thin. So I'm just going to mix it together, and now I'm going to kind of, where I mapped out those gray lines, they're a little hard to see, but they are there. I'm just going to start doing the lightning, and I'm just gonna do like little, like actual bolts right now, and then we're gonna kind of make it a little bit more detailed in a second. Okay, so basically I added a few little lightning things on the eyeshadow, and now I'm going to move on to lips. I'm using the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Hudson. Okay, so now I'm going to top it with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is the shade Fenty Glow. I just got this and I love it so much. So the lashes I'm using are from More Lashes by Tiffany. She kindly sent these to me, and this is the style Soul Snatcher. They are super full and dramatic and fluffy, and I love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this helped you if you wanted to learn how to do it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.